We're making creepy little heads out of creepy little apples today. I hope you don't mind the creep factor. Just having a little bit of fun. It is Halloween after all. It's a fun and simple project you can do with the kiddos. Or if you're just a fun adult like me. Watch me carve this little apple for similar results. Different apples, different results. This is a Royal Gala apple. Ooh, this causes me a lot of pain. Now it is time for a saltwater bath. I like to soak it for about 2 hours. This prevents discoloration. Now I put the little guy into a dehydrator. If you don't have one, you can use your oven. But please, be careful. You might have to Google it. Okay? It took a little bit of time. 24 hours to be exact. At 1:35. Now it's time to show you the shrinkage. It's actually pretty messed up. But also kind of cool. If you like the way your little apple looks, you can stop here. But if you want your little apple to have some eyeballs and maybe some hair, please continue watching. I apologize for my voice. I had too much caffeine and I'm in too deep. So the creepy voice will continue. You must coat the head with some Mod Podge. This will prevent your head from rehydrating from the moisture in the atmosphere.
Moisture.
Which can make him sticky. Let's start with the hair. For this, I used twine. Simply unravel it and you get many little strands to add to your little apple. And just glue it in with a little bit of hot glue. It's actually pretty simple. It is time for the wee little eyeballs. And for this, I used allspice. Very nice. Now we give it a hairdo. I went with some sort of ponytail / faux hawk thing. I don't know. and I gave it a little hair clip made out of cinnamon and star anise. It actually smells pretty good too. Not bad. And it was pretty clear to me that this guy wanted a wee little cigar, which I made with some clove spice. I know. I am pretty creative. Please, hit the like button. And you can also be very creative with this. I'm using a toothpick to give him a piercing now. I later torch it with a lighter to make it stand out more. And now it's time for a little paper mache action with some cardboard and some toilet paper. If you want to get specific about it, this is Kirkland from Costco. This video is not sponsored, but we all know Kirkland is the best. And once the edges were smooth and it looked kind of like a rock, I covered it with black tissue paper and let it dry. I was surprised. This actually worked really well. This was my first paper mache, and I was pretty happy with it. I will not use a toothpick as the stick. I will be using a bamboo skewer, much thicker and stronger. You can also paint these little heads, which is what I did with creepy little apple head number 2. And it actually worked out pretty cool. I was really happy with the paint, so I moved on to the twine hair. This time, I was going for something a little more crazy and fluffy. And look at the eyeballs. Just the allspice balls, painted white. Very creepy. But not as creepy as his creepy tongue. Ugh. To make the creepy tongue, all you need is this paper cord. Open it up. Make it a little pointy and twist it up a little bit. And you have a creepy tongue. Mod Podge the tongue, and it will be nice and firm, like this piece here. I think I will name the green one Clarice, and the other one Mr. Cigarello. And that is all. I will see you next Halloween with the creepy voice and all. Good day.